Today we've got Brad with us from Bendix, who's going to talk to us about upgrading your four-wheel drive's brakes. When adding weight to the vehicle, like rooftop tents, bull bars, winches and other four-wheel drive accessories, you're adding additional weight to the vehicle. Similarly, off-road and on-road braking performance will also vary with these added accessories put onto the car.
And this is the Bendix Ultimate 4-wheel drive kit. Everything you need to upgrade the brakes on your 4-wheel drive will be in this kit. And so we'll start with the rotor, this Ultimate rotor. As you can see there, it's slotted and dimpled. And Sam, you might notice it's a multi-directional rotor, so that means that if you're fitting it, you can fit it on the right or left-hand side. It doesn't matter. It works the same in both applications, so you don't have to worry about making that decision. And it also has our patented Swift Fit coating, and what that means is out of the box, onto the vehicle, and in application, even after a couple of months, Sam, hit this with a hose and they're going to look fresh again. The kit also contains the Bendix 4-wheel drive brake pads. Now this is a new brake pad to us and it's specifically designed for the vehicle and the terrain in which it's covering. There's been a lot of research and development done with our team in Ballarat and Victoria, where we've created this brake pad specifically with a specialised ceramic material which will do exactly what it needs to do in harsh conditions. The interesting thing for this brake pad is it also has, Sam, a mechanical retention. Now that's a bit unique to the marketplace. It also has a braided line kit. Now that braided line goes for fronts and rears. In this kit, you can do the whole vehicle. So it's no use putting on braided lines on the front and then not worrying about the back. So we will have the full kit for you. And we also have the braided lines in both a standard kit and a 2-inch lift. And we've been talking about lifting the vehicles, and there is a kit designed to do that specifically. Following on from there, to just help you fit the product properly, we have a ultra high quality brake fluid, and that means that when you're pulling out lines, you are going to have to replace the brake fluid. There is enough in each kit to do that. We also have a Ceramisil brake lubricant. Again, metal to metal, Sam, is a great component for noise. What we want to do is help you knock that out. So this will work between any metal, the backing plate onto the pad, anything you can do to knock some noise out of the product. This will help you and get the job done properly for you. Our Bendix cleanup, great product. Make sure the job's done properly. Make sure everything's clean. The one thing you don't want to do is get out on the road, find you've got noise or squeal because something's contaminated in the build. This will help you do it. And I'd have to say, Sam, probably for me the most important tool, we throw it in there, there's one in every kit.
Perfect. And magnetic as well, I can see.
All comes in this box. Once you're ready to go, chuck some gear in the box and off you go.
Perfect. Well, to pick up a Bendix 4-wheel drive brake upgrade kit for your vehicle, make sure that you head to repco.com.au and fill your cart for your vehicle application.